Two people start at the same place in life. One goes on to build a successful career, achieve financial freedom, and live with purpose. The other struggles, constantly facing setbacks and never quite reaching their goals. What's the difference? It's not intelligence. It's not luck. It's mindset. If you master these 5 mindset rules, you can rewire your brain for success and turn any challenge into an opportunity. Let's dive in. Rule 1. Embrace failure as feedback. Michael Jordan, one of the greatest basketball players of all time, was once cut from his high school team. Imagine if he had given up. Instead, he used that failure as fuel. He trained harder, pushed himself beyond limits, and came back stronger. The winning mindset doesn't see failure as the end. It sees it as feedback. Every setback is a lesson. Every mistake is an opportunity to improve. The only real failure is quitting. Thomas Edison failed over 1,000 times before successfully inventing the light bulb. When asked about his failures, he said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." That's the mindset of a winner. Rule 2. Focus on growth, not perfection. Think about how kids learn to walk or ride a bike. They stumble, they fall, but they never stop trying. That's the growth mindset. Perfectionism kills progress. Winners know that getting started is more important than being perfect. They embrace learning, improve along the way, and keep moving forward. Consider how Apple releases iPhones. Each version is better than the last, but they never wait for a perfect product. They launch, learn, and upgrade. That's how you stay ahead. Rule 3. Take control of your self-talk. Your mind believes what you tell it. If you constantly say, "I can't do this," your brain will believe it. But if you say, "I will figure this out," your brain starts looking for solutions. Studies show that elite athletes, entrepreneurs, and high achievers all use positive self-talk and visualization. They don't just hope for success, they train their minds to expect it. Muhammad Ali repeatedly said, "I am the greatest," long before he became a champion. His belief shaped his reality. What you tell yourself every day matters. Rule 4. Surround yourself with the right people. You become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you surround yourself with negative, unmotivated people, they will drain your energy and limit your growth. Winners surround themselves with driven, positive, and ambitious people. They seek mentors, join mastermind groups, and make sure their environment pushes them to be better every day. Jim Rohn once said, "Show me your friends, and I'll show you your future." Want to be successful? Surround yourself with people who inspire and challenge you. Rule 5. Take action, even when you don't feel ready. Amazon started in a garage. Facebook was built in a dorm room. No one starts with the perfect plan, but winners take action anyway. The truth is, you'll never feel completely ready. The winning mindset knows that action creates momentum, and momentum builds success. Start now. Adjust along the way. But don't wait. Think of it like learning to swim. You can read about it, watch videos, even practice on land. But until you jump into the water, you'll never truly learn. Success works the same way. Success isn't magic. It's not reserved for a special few. It's a mindset. Master these 5 rules, and you'll start seeing results in ways you never imagined.